Hello, welcome. Traditional Turkish chicken tantuni will be made in this video. It is a wrap with chicken tantuni, butter roasted chicken, and raw vegetables. A simple, easy, cheap and delicious meal that can be on the list among Turkish street food. You can ask any questions you have and please don't forget to support by liking the video. Materials: 1 chicken breast, we can say 600 grams. Hot red pepper. Butter. Liquid oil. Rock salt. This is frozen chicken broth or broth. Tomatoes, peppers, onions. Parsley and a few pickled cucumbers. 35 cm iron hair roaster is used in this way. Thin wrapped bread. Remove the skin of the chicken and prepare it boneless. After preparing the boneless chicken breast, chop finely. You can buy frozen boneless chicken breast and cut them more easily. Add oil to the chopped chicken breast and mix. Prepare raw ingredients. I would say these will not be cooked. Finely chop the onion. Finely chop the green peppers. Finely chop the tomato. Chop the parsley. Chop pickled cucumbers. Now that all the ingredients to be chopped are prepared, you can start cooking the easy meal. Heat the pan over high heat, add some butter and add the chicken. Do not add all the butter because the butter may burn before the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked a little, add half the butter and mix. Add a little red pepper and mix. Add some broth and mix. Why is a little bit being added? You will understand this soon. As the wraps are made, the rest of the ingredients will be added. Add rock salt. Prepare the wraps. Press the tortillas into paprika chicken broth and soak. Add chicken to thin bread. 3 chicken wraps will be made here, adjust the amount according to your wishes. I think that's enough. Add finely chopped vegetables, add pepper, tomato, onion, parsley, pickle and salt. You can bend the ends a little to avoid spilling. For the other bread, add some broth and red pepper again to form a sauce. Soak the tortillas with red sauce, add ingredients and fold. It's that simple. Assuming 600 grams of chicken, 450 grams of chicken should be left when cooked. I think 150 grams of cooked chicken is enough for one bread. The original traditional tantuni is made with meat, this is the version made with chicken. Meat tantuni video was posted before, viewers will remember. The wraps were homemade and a larger amount of food. If you haven't watched, I recommend you watch that video. Chicken tantuni wraps are prepared. Ayran is preferred as a drink with this dish. You can mix non-sour strained Solon yogurt, a little salt and water with a whisk to make buttermilk. If you are looking for an easy, practical, cheap and delicious meal idea, you can make chicken tantuni. You can only use a little more of the broth in addition, a great meal for chicken lovers. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video, goodbye.